What's good, traders? The market gave us something interesting today. The Qs pushed to a fresh all-time high, but by the closing bell, buyers couldn't hold the breakout. That doesn't automatically mean trouble is coming, but it does mean the market is asking for proof before the next move. Starting with the daily chart, the bigger picture remains bullish. We're still seeing higher highs and higher lows, which means the overall trend remains intact. Today's session pushed all the way up to 748.65 before pulling back and closing lower. The key level I'm watching now is 746.44. That's the prior breakout area and currently the most important line in the sand on the chart. As long as buyers can reclaim and hold above that level, the trend remains healthy. Support sits down near 741.01, which is the area sellers would need to break to gain meaningful control. Moving over to the hourly chart, the structure still favors the bulls, but price is caught between support and resistance. Buyers are still defending support beneath current price, while the next major test sits overhead near 746.44 and the recent high at 748.65. The next meaningful move will likely come from whichever side of that range gives way first. Now let's zoom into the 5-minute chart. This is where patience matters most. Despite the volatility today, price has not produced the confirmation required for a valid setup. Volume showed up, but the candle structure did not fully meet the confirmation requirements. That means we're staying in observation mode. No trade exists right now. Buyers still need to prove they can reclaim resistance, and sellers still need to prove they can break support. My current bias is neutral to bullish, but price still has to confirm. I'm not guessing, I'm waiting for the chart to prove it. Above 746.44, I lean bullish because buyers would be reclaiming the failed breakout area and putting the all-time high back into play. Below 741.01, I lean bearish because sellers would be breaking a key support zone and opening the door for a deeper pullback. Between those levels, this remains a battleground and price still has work to do. One quick reminder, a bullish or bearish bias is not a trade. We're still in observation mode right now. If price produces a confirmed 5-minute trigger at one of our key levels with the required volume behind it, then a trade can become valid. Until that happens, we're simply letting the market show its hand. One thing I've learned is that good trades don't need to be chased. When the setup is real, price gives you time to see it. Patience isn't missing opportunities. Patience is avoiding bad ones. Going into tomorrow, all eyes remain on 746.44 above and 741.01 below. One side will eventually take control, but right now, price hasn't provided the confirmation needed to act. By the way, guys, if these videos seem slow and don't end with a trade, that's intentional. Sometimes the best position is patience. I don't trade everything I see, and I don't trade all day. I wait for price to confirm, and when it does, I'll be ready. The market doesn't pay me for predictions. It pays me for patience and discipline. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp.